Hey, financial enthusiasts, do you believe in the debt secrets to success? Welcome, and keep watching as we expose the incredible debt secrets used by the rich to accumulate wealth. With game-changing strategies for big gains, bid farewell to financial problems and open the door to endless possibilities. As we walk you through debt management, wealth development, and the strategies the wealthy swear by, prepare to be captivated, enlightened, and inspired. But wait, before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Today, we're delving deep into the intriguing world of finance and wealth building. We'll unveil the well-kept secrets that rich people use to generate money through strategic debt management. If your goal in life is to get rich, it's worth persevering. Our guide covers the following 5 tips that highlight the best ways to achieve financial security. Remember, there are no shortcuts to wealth. Focus on spending less than you earn and making wise choices in saving and investing your money. Number 1. Establish financial goals. To achieve wealth, start by defining what rich means to you. Is it becoming a billionaire or securing a comfortable 6-figure retirement fund? Clarifying your goal is the first step. There are as many definitions of the word rich as there are people. So, it's important that individuals set out their own financial goals before drawing up a plan to go about reaching them. The next step is to draw up a budget, a detailed plan for spending, saving and repaying debt that lets you get to work. If you think of your finances as a house, then your budget can be regarded as its foundation. Creating a realistic budget involves a careful review of your finances, while also taking account of financial habits and goals. Number 2, deal with debt. Managed correctly, not all debt is bad. But if you're planning to get rich, it's worth bearing in mind that high-interest debt. When drawing up a budget, one of the most important considerations is to dispense with bad debt as soon as possible. That means identifying the debts that's costing you the most and trying to eliminate it first. Once debts with the highest repayments rates are paid off in full, the idea is to roll over subsequent payments to tackle the next most financially damaging loans and pay them off. If you are liking the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Number 3, create a cushion. Establishing a rainy day fund is an essential component of any strategy for boosting your wealth. Your emergency fund, kept in low-risk savings, should have enough cash to prevent high-interest credit card debt during financial emergencies. Number 4, start investing now. If we're talking about growing wealth, it's not usually enough just to save money in an account. To get rich, you need to make your money work harder. For most people, the way to do this is by investing in the stock market. Investing, using money to generate a profitable return, is not for everyone, however. This is because it carries with it the risk of partial or total loss of capital. Learning how to invest is not a simple task, but the time to get started is as soon as possible. This provides your contributions with the longest possible time frame in which to grow. If you don't feel comfortable making your own decisions, a suitably qualified financial advisor or wealth manager can help with recommendations. Number 5, boost your income. The more money you earn, the faster you'll be able to achieve your goal of getting rich. Boosting your earnings potential today helps to build a virtuous circle of earning more, investing more, and getting closer to your goals. One way to boost your income is by looking to progress from your current position, or even to consider a career change which better values your skills and competencies. Beyond one's primary career path, consider increasing earnings by starting a small business or temporary side hustle. Perhaps as a way to pay down debt or increase your investing budget. As we've outlined above, getting rich means knowing what you want and having the discipline to do what it takes. It may take time, but it's both doable and worth it in the end. Make a plan, stick to it, and you'll spot the progress when you take the right steps to build wealth. By the same token, if someone whispers that they are on to a financial sure thing that cannot lose, walk off in the opposite direction without delay. Remember, financial success is within your reach, and by applying these strategies, you're taking a significant step toward your goals. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on wealth creation. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, we love hearing from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or your own wealth building journey in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us on today's journey.